This is Friday's dictation, week 9. So there are 3 sentences because it's Friday. So you need to have handwritten the word dictation. Today is Friday the 11th of September. So you write 11/9/2020 for 2020. The first sentence is, there is a key to open the door. 8 words again. We'll break it down. There is a key to open the door. Write the first 2 words. There is. A key to open the door. There is a key to open the door. Second sentence, new line. We had this the other day, yesterday I think. You can buy things with money. Now see if you've got anything wrong from yesterday. See if you can remember it without looking at it. You can buy things with money. First 2 words, you can. Buy things with money. And the last sentence is, honey is sweet to eat. Honey is sweet to eat. So write honey, remember capital letters, is sweet to eat. So let's go over it again. First sentence, there is a key to open the door. Second sentence, you can buy things with money. Third sentence, honey is sweet to eat. When you're happy with it, remember, look with your eyes, make any corrections you need to before you upload. Now have a look at my last picture. That's your 5th clue. If you guys have worked it out, I've given you 5 different pictures this week. Just send me a message in Seesaw, Mrs. Skinner, I think you were in, and tell me where you think I was.